Today we are learning the Encore line dance because you requested it. Now I'm going to break this up into 3 sections today, and I promise by the end of it you will have it. Alright? I'm going to turn to the back. Let's get started. My right is your right and my left is your. Alright, so we're going to start everything on the right side first. First section just goes like this. Taking the right leg, you're going to go step, together, double step, stop. Okay? That's going right, left, right, left, right. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right? From here, take your left leg is going to go behind. You're going to step left, right, left, and then your right leg, right, left, right. And if you see me from the side here, I'm taking that left leg, is going, when I put the pressure on that left leg, the right leg comes up, step back on it, go back to my neutral position, right leg, step back, all right? So from the top that goes, right, left, right step, left, right, right. You got that? This is probably the hardest part of the dance, okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now you do the same thing, but now we're gonna go to the left side. So we're gonna step with the left leg first. We're going left, right, left. Now we take our right leg to step back, put the weight on the right leg, right, left. Yeah. Let's connect it from the top nice and slow. Put those together. 5, 6, 7, we said right, left, right, step right. Other side. Left, step right. Step left and stop. And that's section 1, all right? Now moving on to section 2. After we finished the second side here, we finished boom, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba. I'm gonna lead my body to my left side, okay? I'm gonna step with this right leg to go right, turn towards that left shoulder still, and then step left. And then you do a little cha-cha here, little triple step, right, left, right. Let's get that direction proper, okay? So we just finished here. Ba, 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 ba. This is gonna help me turn this way already. Turn towards that left shoulder. I'm gonna step right, turning over that left shoulder, left, then I do my triple step, ba, ba, ba. Okay, you got the ba, ba, ba? Yeah, all right. So one more time. We're gonna go from here. 1, ha. Then we go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we do the same step, but now we're gonna step with the left leg. Go left, turning over the right shoulder. Step right, then triple step here. Left, right, left. Stop there for now, okay? Let's put that together nice and slow, just section 2 alone, okay? So we finished here. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Step 1, turn, 2, step, 3 and 4, step, 5, turn, 6, step, 7 and 8. All right, let's connect section 1 and 2 together nice and slow. I'm with you, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, slow. Step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step left, step right. Stop. Other side. Left, right, left, step right, step left. Other section 2, we go right, left, ta, left, right, ta. This dance is so groovy, I love it. Anyways, that's those sections together. Let's do it smooth, section 1 into section 2, nice and smooth. 5, 6, 7, we said boom, ta, step it back, other side, boom, ta, step it back, pivot turn, here we go, step, turn, cha, step, turn, cha. I know you got that. Yeah? All right. Now, moving on to section number 3. Not a super long dance, okay? Using your right leg now, you're going to step onto the ball of your foot, pushing your hip out. And you're going to sit into it. So I'm pushing my hip out, and then I sit and bring my hips back. Do it one more time. Push my hips out on the ball of the foot. Sit. See how my foot goes flat on the heel? Pushing my hips back. So that's going to give me that nice smooth groove here. Ooh. Ooh. If you're not hitting that and saying ooh to yourself, you got to put a little bit more hip into it, okay? Again, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we repeat the step when we take our leg. It's going to go behind our left leg. Right leg goes behind. We go 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And this becomes our new wall, okay? This is a 4-wall dance, so we're going to be going to every single wall. Let's repeat that last part again. So for section 3, we just finished here. We finished left, right, left, right, left. The weight's on that left leg. Now we're going to switch to the right. Go right with the groove, right with the groove, then back it, step back, boom. Yes, yes, yes. All right. So let's try to connect section 2 into section 3. Okay. So we're just going to go from the pivot turn. So we step from here. We're going to go right, left, cha, 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 left, right, cha, cha, cha. Section 3, groove it out. Section 3, groove it out. Go step it back, and then continue the dance. All right? Let's try everything from the very top to make sure you have it nice and slow. And then we're going to go through it all 4 walls, okay? Here we go. Nice and slow, taking our time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and stop. Section 2. Go towards your left shoulder, right, left, ta, ta, ta. Step left, right, ta, ta, ta. Section 3. Go groove 2, groove 3, 4, step 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right, so now let's try everything all together straight through, but now we're going to hit every single wall. Okay, here we go. Stay with me now. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. We said right, left, right. Step it back, other way. Left, right, left. Step it back. Here we go. Boom, ka, cha, cha, cha. Boom, ka, cha, cha, cha. Groove it out. Step it back. New wall. Right, left, ka, ka, ka. Boom, boom. Other side. Left, right. Here we go. Pivot. Now we go. Boom, ha, cha, cha, cha. Keep it going. Groove it out. Your backs to me. Here we go. New wall. Let's go. Ha, ha, ta, ta, ta. Step it back. Boom, ka, ta, ta, ta. Step it back. Pivot turn. Hit. Boom. Cha, cha, cha. Cha, cha, cha. Groove it out. One more time. Let's go to the right. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right leg, then left leg. Go turn. Hey, ka, ka, ka. Go turn. Hey, ka, ka, ka. And you see me, ka, 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 ka. And congratulations, that's the end of the dance, all right? If you have any other dances you want me to teach you, just comment down below. But until then, go enjoy this one with the music right over here, or learn another line dance to prepare you for all those cookouts, trail rides, all that good stuff right over here, all right? Peace out until next time, y'all. Ooh, ooh.